Tip for washing shoes in the washing machine. When washing shoes in the machine, choose the program for delicate fabrics and the lowest temperature, a maximum of 40 degrees. However, select the lowest spin speed. Place the shoes in the washing machine and add one more thing, a towel, preferably a thick terry one. Put it in together with the shoes for washing. You can even use 2 towels. Then it will fulfill its role even better. The towel prevents the shoes from moving too much in the drum. If you have laundry bags, you can place the shoes in them. Then washing them in the machine will be less invasive.